Almost ready? You ready? Look how beautiful the layers are. Lamb, beef, lamb, beef.
And we sprinkle oregano and salt.
Crunchy, caramelized.
We're going to make menudo. Oregano, tzatziki,
Lemon,
cucumbers, lemon, salt, and pepper.
beautiful.
Tomatoes, onions, whole parsley, and a little lettuce. And now, ready.
You've not had anything like this. This is a real meat attack. There's nice crunch. The marinade's not overpowering. You can actually taste the meat. And there's juices just running out of this thing. Then you put it in this warm pita with the onions and the tomato, the tzatziki, not overpowering also. The crunch and the mess. Dude, 12-pack and a remote control, man. I wouldn't leave here.
You know sandwich you got?
It's really good. It's really fresh.
That's what you have.
Very well seasoned. It's real meat.
And a really fresh pita bread.
You know sandwich.
Are you Greek? It's 100%.
That's fine.
I'm Greek. It's yes. It's really authentic.
Vamos a la
These guys
Hey, go ahead and pick up.
are working from Mom's cookbook.
Pasticcio, pick up.
Pizio, Greek lasagna, ground beef.
And the
Sit down.
vegetable sauce on the top is perfect.
Where's the stove? We gonna cook on the grill?
Cook on the grill.
Okay, go on the grill.
We start with extra virgin olive oil
From Italy?
from Greece. Now, because we have a better oil. Onions, fresh, garlic, bay leaves. Now, we add the peppers, cinnamon sticks. There we go. Then cloves. We let it brown for 2 minutes. Now we can add the meat. So brown all the meat up, break it apart.
Bring here.
Continue with fresh tomatoes. That's Italian probably, tomatoes.
Yeah. Tomato paste or puree?
Puree. We stir it, and we leave it until cooked together with the meat. Now we're making bechamel sauce, margarine.
There's margarine, all right.
Margarine is melted. Gonna add some flour.
Whose recipe is this?
My mom's. She lives in Greece.
We got warm milks that'll make the smell a lot easier after you start thinking it up. Puts a little bit of that flour taste out.
Now we have eggs.
Don't want to do them too fast. Don't want to come on.
All right. A little bit of salt. Perfect. Nutmeg.